Good day, everyone, and welcome to another episode of the Distributive Property. That's right, today we're going to be talking about how to use the distributive property. So let's dive right into it. Did you know that the distributive property allows us to rewrite multiplication as addition? That's right. We multiply each part and then add the results. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. So because I got a 3 right there, right next to these here parentheses, that means I can multiply that 3 by everything in the parentheses. So let me show you what I mean. Basically, I can say, okay, what's 3 times 2x? Well, I know 3 times 2x is 6x. Then I bring my plus sign down, and then I can multiply 3 by 5, and 3 times 5 is 15, which means that this, simply put, can be written as a sum, 6x increased by 15. And that's the distributive property in action. Let's try this bad boy. Same deal. So I'm going to multiply 4 times x. 4 times x is 4x. I'll bring my subtraction sign straight down and then multiply 4 by 7. 4 times 7 is 28. And just like that, I have now rewritten this as a difference of 2 terms using the distributive property. Let's keep going. Same deal here. 2 times 3y means I now have 6y's. I'm going to bring down my plus sign and then multiply 2 by 4, and 2 times 4 is 8, which means that we've now rewritten this as the sum of 2 terms using the distributive property. Now, let's do just a few more to drive this home. Maybe try this one on your own. You could pause the video, see if you've written it correctly. On your mark, get set, pause. Did you pause it? Did you write it correctly? If you wrote it like this, 5 times 2a equals 10a, then brought the subtraction sign down, and then 5 times 6 equals 30, then you did it correctly. Congratulations. Tell them what they won. Well, folks, they probably won another problem. If there was a problem, the math teacher's going to give it to you. All right, once again, we're going to distribute the 6. 6 times 4m is 24m. Bring our plus sign down, and then 6 times 1 is going to be 6. And now we've rewritten this using the distributive property as the sum of 2 terms. All right, I think you probably get the point, but let's do, 3 more just to drive it home. Once again, 7 times 3p, 7 times 3p is going to give me 21p. I'll bring my subtraction sign down. And then, of course, 7 times 2 is going to be 14, which means we have rewritten this as the difference of 2 terms using the distributive property. 2 more. 8 times 2k gives us 16k. Bring our plus sign down, and then 8 times 9. We know that 8 times 9 is 72, so we put our 72 there, and we have now rewritten this as now the sum of 2 terms using, yet again, the distributive property. And finally, our final example, same as all the others, multiply 9 by 5, and we get 45. Bring down our subtraction sign, and multiply 9 by 2, r, which gives us 18 r's. My voice is going away. And thus we've rewritten this as the difference of 2 terms. I do hope this video was helpful to you. The distributive property is a good time. It's always a good time. We don't even have to try. Well, actually, if you made it to the end of this video, you did try. So thank you so much for that. And here's a smiley face from me to you. Y'all have a good one. Bye.